Hey there, Amazon. I wanted to show you this little tiny fence here. I have little tiny dachshunds, and this fence works perfectly. Oh my goodness. We have our little dachshunds here, and they have a little area, and it works great. So if you have little puppies, this is going to be good. But if you're just looking for, it's kind of bent over just because I just let them out. But if you're looking for a little barrier for little short doggies, and I'll show you what I'm talking about here. These little creatures, that type of creature, that fence is going to be perfect for it.
I love this cage. It is an awesome cage. It is wide, and my guinea pigs love it. You can exchange it, and you can change it around, and you can make it large or small. I have 3 of them, and I love it. It is so nice, so adorable. I can put it on the floor and have it on the table as this plate right here. Thank you so much.
That's all that's in the box. False advertising.
Mira. Friends.